Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you 3 ways you can use flaxseed for hair growth, to stop hair loss, to regrow your edges, to strengthen your hair strand. If you're suffering from alopecia, if you're suffering from thin edges, if you're suffering from hair breakage, guys, this recipe is going to help you out. Flaxseed is an amazing spice for hair growth and to stop hair breakage. Flaxseed is enriched in so many nourishment like biotin, like omega-3 fatty acid. So if you're interested, then kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So let's get started. So loves, this is the flaxseed I'll be using for today's recipe. I'm just going to be adding 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, then I will cook this together. If you have tried any other like cloves, fenugreek seed, any one that is not really working well for you, try flaxseed and you will see the amazing results. So I'm just going to cook it. We are going to need the gel for this Prepoo we are going to be making for today's recipe. Remember, we are making 3 recipes in this video, so please watch the end so that you can see the 3 recipes. Then inside this my jar I have onions, I have garlic, I have ginger. These 3 ingredients are really powerful. So I also added the flaxseed gel inside and blended everything together. Now I'm straining it out. Fam, use this as a pre-poo. Use it on your wash day. Use it every time you're washing your hair. If you wash your hair, I advise you wash your hair 2 times in a month, which is much better because it's easier for you to, so that you don't really touch your hair too much. Because I wash my hair 2 times in a month and I use this twice in a month. I can also switch it off a little bit. Yeah, so after this I will leave this to set for a while, maybe like 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on how long you can wait. Okay, after that I'm going to be using a baby shampoo on my hair, just a mild shampoo. If I have any, it's not compulsory to use baby shampoo. You can use any mild shampoo on your hair just to remove the smell and all that. And this is what my hair looks like after it's been washed. It looks so nourished, my scalp feels so clean, and my hair feels so soft. So guys, try out this recipe and you come back and give me your good news. So let's move to the next step, which is the deep condition. This is the ingredients we're using mayonnaise, we are using honey, we are using banana, and we're also using avocado. And remember the flaxseed we used initially. Yes, so I'm just going to be mixing all this together in my jar, then I will blend it. Okay, so when you, after blending, you need to sieve so that you can remove the chaff, and we don't need the chaffs on our hair. So fam, please keep on watching. So loves, this is what we have after we've blended everything together. I'm just going to strain this. This is the juice we are going to be applying on our hair. Like, the ingredients inside here is so healthy for our hair growth. If you've not tried this, kindly try this. So I just added my mayo and our honey for nourishment and for softness. Then I will first of all use water to hydrate my hair because I'm doing this on a dry hair, a clean and washed dry hair. Then I will section my hair in section for easier application, because it's easy for you to apply things on your hair if your hair is being sectioned. Then after sectioning my hair, I will apply this all over my hair. Like guys, this will make your coils to pop back. Like if your hair, if you have a 4C hair and 4C hair hardly have coils, yeah, so this is going to make your hair to be coily. You will see that in a bit. I'm done applying this all over my hair in sections. I'm just applying the remaining ones, especially in the front of my hair. I always apply things at the ends of your hair because those are the older parts of your hair. After applying this all over your hair, then we'll sit for a while, like an hour, then we'll rinse out. So lovely, can you see the coils on my hair? Like, see the coils now. After that, I'll rinse this out of my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. So we'll move to the next step. So lovely, we are using a leave-in condition for the next step. This is what we'll be using: flaxseed and hibiscus. Okay, I'm just going to be cooking these two together, then we'll use the gel for our leave-in condition. You can use this as a styling gel. Okay, you can use this. You don't need to rinse this out from your hair because it does not stain as well. So I'm just going to be adding just 2-3 cloves of hibiscus flower, then I'll mix this together, and voila, this is what we will have. So I'm straining this, and this is what we have. I'm going to add some oils for extra moisturizing. Okay, so this oil here is my moringa oil. All right, I've done a video about moringa in my channel. Please do well to check it out. Yeah, I'm going to be applying my moringa oil inside this, and I'll mix. This can be stored for 1 week, maximum 5 days. After 5 days, please dispose this recipe. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair, and I'll just leave it to air dry, and that's it, guys. These are the 3 ways I use flaxseed for a massive hair growth, to nourish my hair, for my hair to stop being from shading and all. Guys, my hair was shading before, but after since I started this routine on my hair sorry about my voice. Ever since I started this routine, my hair shed, but not as much as before. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is what I just have. I just did a 2 ponytail like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, don't forget that your natural hair makes you beautiful. Love yourself, love your hair, and we'll keep on shining. Bye.